Hi guys, I am here to introduce my personal program on the art and science of porcelain veneers, which I organize at the Ivoclar Academy in Gurgaon, New Delhi. This program is for anyone who wants to practice porcelain veneers. It is tailor-made for anyone who is either starting off and has no idea about adhesive dentistry or cosmetic dentistry, or it is also designed for someone who would like to improve their skills and has a certain amount of experience in cosmetic or adhesive dentistry.
I've been following Dr. Manav Kalra in Instagram and Facebook since a long time.
I really want to improve my skill and learn from the master. He's the pioneer, Dr. Manav Kalra.
What could be better to learn it from the best? So I'm here to learn the art and science of porcelain veneers, and it was a wonderful experience coming here and learning it from him.
This is a highly clinical program where I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks and stories from my clinic, which is directly applicable on Monday morning in your practice on your patients.
Reading textbook and reading articles, we can learn everything, but what a person can teach from their experience, you can never get it from any book. And that is what actually he has given us. He has given us his experience in just 2 days.
He even shared his case pictures, which gives us an idea of what is going on. The best thing, he is showing what he has done.
But he's just given it us on a platter to pick up and eat. So learning from anyone else's experiences is the best thing that we could have gotten from these 2 days.
I came with a lot of doubts in my mind. He answered to that also, and he's still approachable, that I can go and ask him even after the course. So that is a plus point.
I will recommend this course to each and every individual who want to start aesthetic journey in dentistry.
So I invite you guys to join my next batch on the art and science of porcelain veneers. If you are interested in adding this procedure to your practice, this is the course to do in India.